everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing how you can view your PC name in Windows 10 and 11 in two ways. Now the second way I'm not going to be showing this clearly for privacy reasons as it leaks my device ID and model number, but you'll still understand how to do it. To begin, the first way is using command prompt. What I'm going to do is write command prompt, right click and press on run as administrator, and press on yes. From there we're just going to write host name and press enter. And as you can see, my name is desktop PMRC9I0. So that's the first way. We are actually going to be doing three ways actually. So third way is writing PowerShell, opening it up, writing host name, and once again desktop, same thing. So now I'm going to show you guys the third way. So what you want to do is press on your Windows button and we're going to write PC name. Now as you can see, view your PC name system settings. What you simply want to do is press here or press on open. Now for privacy reasons I can't open this. Actually I will open this, give me a second. Okay, so I have opened it up and I've hidden my device ID and stuff. As you can see, here it says your PC is monitored and protected, Windows security. But here the device name, as you can see right here, you can copy and paste it, the processor, the installed RAM, and many more stuff that you can get information about. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.